Hey, what's up guys, Coach Paul here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade slip ball with some duct tape, a water bottle, and some rope. Alright, water bottle's full of water, okay? It's just a non-open bottle. So I want to take the cap off. Okay, get some keys. And I want to punch a hole in the cap, alright? Because I'm going to be slipping this rope through the cap and making a knot. So this is where the slip ball is going to be hanging from, off the rope. Okay, so as I punch a hole through it, now I'm going to slip the rope through. All right, now I got the rope through. Okay, now to secure it, I'm going to tie a knot like that. Okay, so now I got the cap, secure the cap to the bottle. All right, and then what I did with the water bottle, I dumped the water out. So when I'm, taping it and doing everything I need to do with it, water's not spilling. And I filled it with rocks, or you could put sand in it or whatever, dirt to your house, whatever. And then I'm going to stick the cap on and secure it. So it's like that. Take my duct tape, and I'm just gonna start duct taping around. Gonna go all the way around. Okay, I want a bigger bottom half. I want the bottom, almost want a teardrop shape. So I'm gonna duct tape the bottom a lot before I start climbing and start duct taping towards the top. So make sure you go around the bottom a lot before you start climbing to the top of the bottle. So it's teardrop shape, all right? Now I've done most of the bottom, I'm gonna start climbing to the top. All right, and then just secure it down like that. All right, now that I have my thing all taped up and the rope attached to it, now I want to attach a hook to it, okay? So I went to Home Depot, bought this little hook, little clip that I can tie the rope to. So once I tie a knot in it, looks like that. So you can clip it on anything, another hook or nail or whatever, so it'll be able to hang. To secure it, you just tie one knot in it, rip off a little piece of tape, and then just tape it at where you tied it. So it's like that, all right? So homemade slip ball, now I have it made, I'll show you how it works.